We are going to continue our fence. We did our wood fence that way, and what Brien noticed is these trees are leaning towards the road. Long-term, best practice would be to cut them before we put in the fence. So he is got a plan to tie that leaning tree to the fir and to this scraggly other tree, alder. And so we're setting up to do that.
And the asphalt?
And to protect the asphalt, because the asphalt layers are, they're going to fix it.
Well, we could post hole one of these limbs right in the asphalt, then the water gets in and it cracks, causing potholes.
Right. We don't want that. So to prevent that, we are
going to basically use a rope to create friction on a belay with wrapping it around this alder, and it'll go around the big fir. You could go walk around, Jenna, and show some reasons why that's not the healthiest tree, and needs to come out. Might even have termites in it for a chicken.
right.